So today I will be showing you my back to school look. So today we're going to start off with priming the face with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. It is my favorite primer at the moment and I'm just rubbing it into my skin. Next I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 125 Nude Beige and just blending that out with my beauty blender. Next I'm going to set the face with my Fit Me powder in light medium. I'm baking the areas that I need to not crease and everything else just setting it with a brush. Next I'm browsing up the skin with my Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil using a Luxie 660. To give my face more definition, I'm going to use the LA Colors Contour in Tan and just using a Luxie 207 medium angle brush to blend that out. With the lighter shade, I'm going to clean up the contour to make sure it is not too all over the place. Highlighting my face with a Wet n Wild highlight powder in Precious Petals using an Equal Tools brush. Next, the brows using the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas. The two shades from the LA Colors Playful palette, I'm just going to give definition to my eyes with the brown shades in my crease. Just popping on the Etude Shimmer, which is like a light gold shimmer, just for a little something on the eyes. Next, I'm going to apply eyeliner to give a little more definition to my eyes, but no wing because nobody has time for that in the morning. Next, I'm just popping on a ColourPop lipstick, and that's it. A quick, easy morning makeup look for back to school.